Greenie Beanies, it's me, Marvy. I'm in London! My family and I came here on a trip, and we're taking in all the sights. Oh, like Big Ben here. Did you know that Big Ben is the most famous clock in the world? It's been telling time since 1859. That was a very long time ago. Ha! You get it? Because of the clock. Now we're headed to a very special palace. Wow! This place is amazing! It's called Buckingham Palace, and it's where the Queen of England lives. In England, they have kings and queens and princesses and stuff. Oh, and just look at these guards. I hear that the guards aren't allowed to laugh or smile, but I bet I can make them laugh. Watch this. Bleh. Oh, I think he smiled. I saw him smile. Whoa, the Tower Bridge. Isn't it cool? Part of the bridge can raise up so big boats can pass underneath it. I love London. Hey, what are your favorite places to visit? Have a grown-up write your answer in the comments below. Cheerio, Greenie Beanies!